Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an easy cute frog. This is super easy. So you're going to need something to draw with. I'm using a pencil so I can erase any mistakes I make. And colors are optional. I'm using colored pencils. I might use some markers, we'll see. And something to draw on. I'm using a piece of paper. So first, you are going to draw a half of a circle. You don't want it to be too big because this is where the frog's eyes are going to be in. Like that. Super easy. And then you're going to draw a line. Not too long. Then after you make your line, it should look something like this. And you're going to draw another half circle. Try to make it kind of like the first one. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. That's why I'm using a pencil in case. Okay. I am done with the very top of the head. You're going to put the eyes in there. So yours should look something like this. And now you're going to draw two circles inside it. Like that. That's going to be the eyes. These are going to be the eyes. If you messed up, you can just erase and redo it. There we go. Then after you do the two circles, you're going to draw two even smaller circles inside them. Kind of like that. And you're going to draw two even smaller circles. And you're done with the eyes. So if you need to make any adjustments, just make sure when you're going to color it, make sure you get any adjustments finished, because after you color, it's going to be hard to get rid of the color if you mess something up. Okay, so now you're going to color in the biggest circle that you drew. Just don't color in these two smaller ones. Just want to do it like that. It should look something like this. Do the same to the other side. If you want, you can add eyelashes. I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, the rest is pretty easy. So you're going to draw two lines connected to these. This is going to be the body of the frog. Should be around this length. You can make your frog as big or as tall as you want. And then you're going to just curve on each side. Like that. And you're going to do a line on the bottom to connect. And you got the body of your frog. You can make any adjustments if you need to. Okay, and now we are going to do the mouth. So it's going to be like a normal mouth. It's going to be like for animals. It's just going to be like that. Super simple. If you want and you don't like it, you can make any adjustments. I don't really like how mine turned out, so I'm going to just redo it real quick. You can make the mouth any way you want. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my frog like mouth open. So just for that, it can be the tongue if you want, or it can just be the mouth open. You're going to do like half a circle connected to this. And you're basically almost done with your frog. Okay, and now we are going to do the legs. So you're basically going to go down, curve, and go back up like that. Do the same. We're here. And then we're going to do, for like the back legs, we're just going to do like the same thing except at an angle. If you don't like how the legs turned out, you can just erase and redo them. I think I need to adjust mine a little. Okay, there we go. And now you're done with your frog. If you want, you can add like a bow or anything. I'm going to just add a flower right here. Okay, and you're done. Now you can color if you want. I'm going to color my frog, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm done coloring, this is how she turned out. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.